Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your website's SEO with a SEMrush easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing your website's SEO with a SEMrush, first, create an account on the SEMrush website. Once your account is set up, log in to access the SEMrush dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Domain Analytics section. Enter your website's URL into the search bar and click Search. Analyze the overview report to understand your domain's performance metrics. Next, navigate to the Organic Research section. This will provide insights into your website's organic keywords and traffic. Review the top organic keywords driving traffic to your site. Take note of the keywords where your ranking is strong and those where improvements are needed. Now, proceed to the Keyword Magic tool. Here, you can find relevant keywords based on. Use filters to narrow down your search to long-tail keywords for specific topics. Once you have a list of potential keywords, prioritize them based on search volume and competition. Next, move to the Site Audit tool. Initiate a site audit to identify any technical SEO issues affecting your site. Review the results, focusing on errors, warnings, and notices. Address critical issues first, such as broken links or missing meta tags. As you resolve these issues, monitor your site's health score. Next, visit the Backlink Analytics section. Analyze your backlink profile to understand your link building status. Identify reputable sites that link back to your website. Simultaneously, check for any toxic backlinks that may harm your SEO. Consider reaching out to remove or disavow harmful links. Next, explore the Position Tracking tool. Set up a project for your website to track the performance of your keywords over time. Regularly check your ranking positions and adjust your strategy as necessary. Lastly, utilize the Traffic Analytics tool. This feature allows you to compare your site's performance against competitors. Study their strategies to find opportunities for your own growth. With these steps, you can effectively manage your website's SEO using a SEMrush. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.